Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your shop vac suddenly feels weaker, starts filling too quickly, or simply does not seem to pick up debris the way it normally should, it may be time to change the bag. Sometimes people keep using the vacuum without realizing a full bag can slowly affect suction and overall cleaning performance. At first, opening the vacuum and replacing the bag may seem a little confusing, especially if you have never done it before, but the process is usually much simpler than expected. The good part is that changing a ShopVac bag only takes a few minutes and can help the vacuum start performing much better again. Let's go through several easy steps to change your ShopVac bag. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the ShopVac and disconnect power before opening anything. Step 2. Open the ShopVac lid carefully to reach the bag area inside. Step 3. Remove the full bag from the ShopVac gently without spilling debris. Step 4. Attach the new bag inside the ShopVac in the same position. Step 5. Close the shop vac securely after checking the bag fits properly. Step 6. Turn on the shop vac and confirm suction feels stronger again.